Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nrida Shaha from Just Try, and today we have come again with another video that is related to accountancy, and today's topic will be which groups are basically interested in knowing the accounting information. So accounting information is very important to us, but this information needs to be utilized so that we get the fullest from this data. Now, who all require this data? How is this data utilized in our regular business purpose? We are going to study about those things. So let us start with the topic groups interested in accounting information. The first type of user that we have is internal users. So we will be discussing about the internal users in accounting information and the benefits that they get from this information. The first type is owners. Owners invest their capital to start the business and to run the business. So their primary motive or the primary objective is to earn profits. They need accurate financial information so that they can run the business properly. On the basis of accounting information, they decide that what will be the future course of actions, what will be the expansion strategies. Everything is decided totally based on the accounting information that is provided to the business people, the owners. Now the management uses accounting information for evaluating and analyzing the organization's financial performance and financial position. So for taking important decisions and appropriate actions to improve the business's performance in terms of profitability, financial position, and the cash flows. Now the next type of user is external users in accounting information. First, we will be talking about the potential investors. Now, the actual investors or the potential investors use the accounting information to know actually how much funds is used by the management and what is expected performance of the business in future in terms of profitability and growth. On the basis of this information, they decide whether to increase or decrease their investment in future. Potential investors use accounting information to decide whether or not a particular corporation is suitable for the investment needs. Bank and financial institutions are usually lenders who lend money to the businesses and earn interest from that. That is the income of the lenders. They need the accounting information to access both financial performance and financial position of the business, and to have a reasonable assurance that the entity to whom they are going to lend money would be able to return their principal amount as well as pay the interest thereon. Now let us talk about the creditors. Creditors or the suppliers are the business individuals or organizations that normally sell merchandise or raw materials to other businesses on credit. They usually use the accounting information to get an idea about the future creditworthiness of the business and to decide whether or not to continue providing credit. Now, employees and workers are usually interested in the financial information because their present and future is tied up with the success or the failure of the business. The success and the profitability would lead to job security, better remuneration, job promotion, retirement benefits, etc. Government and its authorities. Government agencies use the financial information of the business for the purpose of imposing taxes and regulations. To collect sales tax, income tax, excise duty, and other relevant taxes from the business based on the property accounts made by the concern. The researchers usually collect the accounting information and analyze them based on the research requirements of the researchers. The general public also uses the accounting information of the business organizations as a source of education for the students of accounting and finance, as a source of valuable data for those researching about the organizational impact on the individuals and the economy as a whole, as a source of information for the people who are looking for job opportunities, and also as a source of information about the future of a particular enterprise. Now, broadly, if we talk about the areas of interest of all the individuals, all the stakeholders, then we can say that the owners or the investors look into the profitability, financial position, and the future prospects. Management looks into profitability in relation to investment, managerial decision, liquidity. Creditors look into profitability and financial position. Lenders also look into the profitability and the financial position. Employees look into profitability. Government looks into profitability, financial position, and the tax liability. Researchers look into accounting theories, business practices, and future profitability. And the society looks into protecting environment, indirect contribution for betterment. I hope everyone has seen the entire video, and therefore you all can understand the very important topic that was covered in today's video, and that how important is accountancy for all the groups. So please study each point very carefully. If you want, you can rewind and study it once again, because each stakeholder is very important. We ourselves are stakeholders to various accounts in various ways. So also rethink yourselves to be each stakeholder, and think each topic. Then you will get to know more details about the topic that we have studied today. It is very essential in our day-to-day lives. If you like the video, then please do like, share, comment on the video, and please subscribe the channel so that you can keep getting regular updates on various topics on accountancy and finance from the channel. So thank you. Keep watching.